Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off mute story of any shots from your shots on your account on Snapchat. Easy and quick. First, choose any shot here and hold on it like this, and here click story settings, and here you will find mute story. Just click like this and this will be turned off, and that's it. That's how to turn off mute story, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.